Great morning, my students. Welcome you all. How was your day? How's your weekend going? I want to welcome you all to this teaching and learning series. Geography is our subject, and today's topic is industrialization, which is the continuation of where we stopped from the class. Here's your behavior objective for today that at the end of this lesson, you students should be able to explain reasons why most manufacturing industry are sited in urban area. 2. Localization of industry. And 3. Disadvantages of concentration of what? Industry in an urban area. Reason why most manufacturing industry are sited in urban areas as a result of large market. When in the urban setting, which is in the city, there is large market. There is a market where many people come from different location, different localization to gather to make that buying and selling transaction. So as a result of that, urban settlement is most focus of most industry in Nigeria. Second, urban settlement, there is availability of labour. There are some certain people who works in the urban settlement, so therefore they will be sited in what? In urban settlement. Why? Because there are so many people in the urban settlement, which is the city, who are willing and able to work. 3. Good transport network. There is good road, there is tar road, there is so many road that links to many markets and thereabout, unlike the rural area where there is scarcity of good road network. Thirdly, fourthly, we are going to talk about nearest to seaports and airports. In urban settlement, there is seaport, there is airport where your goods and services can market, and at the same time where your goods and services can be sold out easily. Availability of finance. There is enough of funding in the urban settlement than the rural settlement. Presence of infrastructure like building and other facility. Location of an industry. This refers to a siting of industry in a particular area, that is the concentration of industry in one area. And one of the following are the advantages of concentrating of industry in such location. Number one, to locate an industry in a particular place, it leads to the internal dependence of industry. It also create employment opportunity for many people, who is advantages to those people who near what? Near a place where industry are being carried out, or a place where industrial activities are being carried out. There will be job opportunity and employment opportunity for them. It aims to mobility of labour, that is moving the workers from one location to what? To another. It also leads to provision of social amenities. It leads to provision of social amenities such as electricity, pipe-borne water, good road and other social life living. So location of an industry is very very important, because a place where an industry is located is almost facilitated with good things. There is also disadvantages on concentration of industry. The number one disadvantage is that it is leads to congestion in traffic, industries and housing. That is, where industry is being located, because of people transporting themselves from one place to another, it leads to traffic and other conducive environment. 2. It leads to shortage of amenities due to the requirement of electricity, due to requirement of pipe-borne water. Many people could not have access to it because of the high voltage usage of industries. It can escalate the crime rate like armed robbing, car snatching and so many of it. So if location of an industry, or if you plant an industry, there is very 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 well possibility of crime rate to increase, like armed robbing and car snatching and so on. It causes environmental pollution due to the presence of many industry. Due to the presence of many industry, like releasing of toxic material or carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, what will happen? It covers the ozone layer. And what will happen? When the moment ozone layer has been covered, it start weakening the ozone layer, and sun will now have direct access to our body. So it causes what? Pollution, environmental pollution, and also it causes sound pollution, which is noise pollution. It encourage rural to urban what? Migration. Because when there is a location of an industry, people start moving from the rural area, which is village, to city where the industry is being planted. So we discuss about reasons why most manufacturing industry have been sited in urban, and also we discuss about location of an industry, what are the advantages, which are the localization. We also talk about the disadvantages of concentration of industry in Nigeria. When next we come, we continue from where we stay. Thank you. God bless you. Stay safe.